Welcome at Supercomputing 2022. We are in Dallas, where it's relatively cold, and I'm here with Alberto Madonna, who is working at the Swiss National Supercomputing Center. So, Alberto, my first question to you is, why are you at Supercomputing?
Well, I came to Supercomputing to present my paper. I had published a paper here at the Canopy workshop, which is the workshop affiliated with Supercomputing that concerns about containers, orchestration paradigms, and products for tied to HPC. So basically, the container in HPC workshop.
Very good. So, Alberto, you are working at CSCS now since how long?
I started in March 2016, so it's over 6 years and a half that I have been at CSCS.
And so how did you start at CSCS? What was your career path? So what were you hired for?
That's kind of an interesting story because I didn't graduate in computer science or computer engineering. By education, I am an aerospace engineer, but eventually my passion for software development, scientific computing, brought me to accept a research fellowship with the Italian National Institute for Astrophysics, and eventually I've always wondered what it would take and how it would be to work on HPC, something I've been always very fascinated about. And turns out that all it took was to reply to a CSCS opening. And
how did you end up now developing this you are responsible for Sarus at CSCS. It's a new product for containerization that we want to deploy, partially on Dint, but mainly on Alps, the next supercomputing computers.
Well, that is mostly the influence, so the push. What pushed my career in the sense of HPC and containers was the address, like the direction that I received from my group leads at CSCS. I was hired eventually also to respond to your previous question. I was hired to work on innovative methods, like to integrate systems and computations. And when I joined the group, they were working at containers was one of the technologies we were looking into, and so one thing led to the other. We started analyzing and deploying another container solution by another HPC center, and eventually we matured enough know-how to be able to understand more precisely what we needed for CSCS, and so we decided to go with our own solution.
So what is the thing that you like most about working at CSCS that would attract other young people to come to us?
There's a bunch of things. So the opportunity of working at a world-class scientific computing institution, having access to these very, very exciting machines, exciting systems, and also already being tied to a reality like ETH Zurich. So we don't work for anyone in particular, for any specific individual or we work for open science, we work for community, we work for hopefully the common good, and then Lugano is a really nice place to live as well.
So thank you very much, Alberto, for your time. I hope you are enjoying and continuing enjoying the conference, and good luck for your paper.